Hey guys, it's Tats from Castagra. And one of the first business trips I took as an entrepreneur was a conference down in the States. And we decided to go down to the States and drive down, make it a road trip, make it fun. And we went along the coast, and the idea was to go through San Diego and back towards Arizona. When we got to San Diego, the beaches were so nice. I thought, heck, we could just go to the beach and get some work done at the same time, just like those ads, those retirement ads with the people on the laptops checking their money grow by the beach. Maybe we can kill two birds with one stone. So went over the beach. The beach was perfect, and to top it off, there was a Harrier jet that was flying at low altitude, just humming along, heading towards the aircraft carrier that was parked by the bay. And it was amazing. So, okay, we're excited. Cracked open our laptops, and wait a minute. First problem, can't see the screen. And we're sitting there going, oh, we're so naive. We got conned by that fake ad. And, just hanging our head down, and all of a sudden a gust of wind comes and it blows a bunch of sand onto the keyboard of the laptop. So it's like, just compounding the problem. So we started to get the sinking feeling that this entrepreneurship stuff is gonna be a lot harder than we thought it was gonna be. But here's the thing, entrepreneurship is, absolutely, it is difficult, and it's absolutely not for everyone, and there's nothing wrong with that. But if you can endure the long-term ups and downs of having to learn all these things and personally grow, it's totally worth it.